Okay, so here we are continuing on, removing these stitches. So she's pulling them up high enough to get the little scissors underneath the knot and then pulling them out. Once again, no any kind of numbing. So if you are a low pain tolerant person, I would recommend taking some kind of a painkiller before going in to have your stitches removed, and or pins, because I was told that they will not be giving me any kind of pain numbing solution to remove the pins. Now, the majority of the fingers weren't too bad, so sorry about the quality. I had my daughter holding the camera for me and filming, so it's not the best focus. So the worst of the stitches was actually in the very end of my thumb. I'm not exactly sure why I had stitches at the end of my thumb. Perhaps it was the closure where they put the screw in. I'm not exactly sure. But most of them was like plucking a hair up to that point. The one at the end of my thumb, I'd say, was akin to waxing your nose hair. It brought a tear to my eye. So I was a baby, and she did have to pause for a moment before I allowed her to continue on that, because the simultaneous pulling up on the stitch to get it high enough to clip, as well as the pulling against a screw that was in my flesh, so it's sort of like a resistant pull, was for me quite painful. I was, kind of gripping the wall that was next to me. So there was like a little thing that stuck out. I guess there was a vent or something, so I was kind of gripping onto the corner of the wall, and it was quite painful. I did shriek a little bit. So, did not go out dignified on that last finger, where she took that off at the end of my thumb. That was quite painful. And I'm not going to apologize for something hurting, because, when it hurts, it hurts. Some places are more sensitive than others, and it was, I guess in the fingertip is a bit more more sensitive than, on the top of your finger. I guess maybe there's more nerve endings there, because, you are supposed to feel things. So stay tuned for the next part, continuing on from here, getting rewrapped. So please do follow, and I'll see you soon.